Hey guys, finishing up projects. Come on over. Couple of things we promised you to show you that we wrapped up the guest room, the bathroom, and got some new things going on in here. New decor for you. Check it out. It's gonna be good. Right here on my take on Home and Garden. Okay guys, so here you can see me finishing up this floor, the transition between the bedroom and the bathroom and that strip. Touch-up painting, new painting in the bathroom, removing the old bent-up chrome parts, towel bar, and so on. And instead, we have a hook bar on the back. So when your bathing suit's wet or your towel's wet, they hang there. Okay guys, come on over. I'm going to show you a couple of things that were added to the guest room that you didn't get to see. Now I moved the geisha painting and added this cabinet that used to be in our room on my chest of drawers. We'll get those doors open so we can see. Another cabinet for all the smalls. That let me thin out the other cabinets, and we're just loving that look. Here we are backed away again so you can see how that's incorporated into the room. Then, from the Blue Springs Marketplace, another bargain. I couldn't leave it. This big, rattan style vase, supersized, just had to bring it home. Look at the beauty here. And what a buy on this. So that's between the curios and in front of a closet door that's not used very often. We'll swing around here real careful and show you the pillows that we didn't have to show you in the last video. Look how sweet. These Asian cranes, and the colors were right on for what we wanted to use in this room. Hard to believe that you could put those together, but as you see, you can. Really super sweet there. Next, real quick, before we see the bathroom all done, I did get this plate rack put up in the corner, displaying decorative plates and favorites in the Asian flavor. Okay guys, now I know you've seen the rest of the room, but we have to check out the bathroom all completed. Don't forget, I forgot to show you the big carpet. When I come out, I'm going to show you that a little better. Now, Angela and I took a little shopping trip and just loved these in the sage green shower curtain, all buttoned in. She picked this beautiful 100% cotton oval loop rug. I love it. It's a double thick, made in India. And here's our littlest nesting table here, holding new 100% cotton towels. Gotta have them. Where you're gonna go right here for that. Now we've removed the toilet holder roll and the towel bar. The kids over time have bent them and pulled them off the wall. How many can relate to that? We're not going back there. But we will get a teepee holder that stands up, you know, shortly. And here's the wonderful geisha painting, and then I put in this mirror and took out the old pitiful, decrepit, losing its edge mirror that was in here. Really liking that better. And then if you remember, this little part of the floor wasn't done with the strip, and I got that trimmed and done. Still need a little gray caulk here and there. I ran out. But here's the glorious area rug that I picked out of, oh, quite a good collection where a lot of our area rugs come from. We'll see that in a link for you. Just love the colors here. Alrighty, so hopefully you enjoyed our update of the guest room and the bathroom. For now, that's the sweetest teepee holder you could ever find right there. Guys, I hope you're enjoying your summer. And if you enjoyed our updated video for you in decor, give us a like or share, a comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, our Etsy store is there for you. You don't even have to start your car. Antiques, vintage, and collectibles galore. Lots of fun, even if you're just looking. Take care now. See you in the next amazing, over-the-top awesome decorator and collector video.